Hello and welcome to another Full Bean tutorial. In this session I'm going to show you how to change the icons that appear in the taskbar of Windows 11. I typically confuse the icon here for Luminar Neo, a image editing program, with this one, DaVinci Resolve, which is a video editing program. Granted, I could move these apart, but even so, I still find myself clicking on one when I really wanted the other. So I'll show you the steps I took to change the look of the icon for DaVinci Resolve. At the bottom left-hand corner, click on the Windows Start menu, then click on All Apps, and since I'm going to be changing the icon for DaVinci Resolve, I know that that's a Blackmagic Design product, so I'll click on Blackmagic Design, and then instead of opening DaVinci Resolve, I will right-click it and click on More, click on Open File Location, and then on the DaVinci Resolve shortcut, right-click on that again and click on Properties. There I get the opportunity to change the icon, so I'll click Change Icon. And these are the icons that are included in the DaVinci Resolve exe file, but none of those appeal to me, so I'm going to browse to the default icons in the Windows system. So that's located on, in my case, on the C drive in Windows, the directory System32, and then find any DLL. I'll just click on the first one here. I'm left-clicking, double-clicking, and it tells me that there aren't any icons here, and I should choose an icon from the list or specify a different file. So I'll click OK, and that opens up the location where Windows keeps some its library of system icons. So I'm just going to go through here and see if there's anything that I like. I kind of like that one. So I'll click on it, then click OK, and click Apply. And then OK. The first thing I'm going to do is right-click on the DaVinci Resolve icon in the taskbar and unpin it from the taskbar so it disappears. Then I'm going to go back to the Start menu and launch DaVinci Resolve. And you can see that the icon has changed. But I want it to stay in the taskbar, so I have to right-click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. Now, even if I close the program, it will still remain in the taskbar. I can put it next to Luminar Neo, and I'm less apt to confuse one app with the other. So that's my solution. I hope you found it to be useful. Thank you for watching.